everything. I drive a Soul and I always will. To experience the feeling of driving a Soul, discover our wide variety of new and certified pre-owned vehicles at Soul Audi or Houston or Soul Audi.
Alright, so on today's episode, a little bit different from what we're used to. Today we're doing a 2010 Camaro, and right now it looks a lot faster than what it runs. It's literally a supercharger only with the, I'm gonna call it a baby fuel system on it, but it's a 4-linked car, so it's back halved with big wheels and tires on it. So it looks like a race car, it's like a top sportsman car, but it literally only makes like 400 horsepower. So customer's goals, he's not a race car driver, he's not going to the racetrack or drag strip every weekend with it. He's literally just cruising it to car shows. So our main goal is picking up, I'm gonna tell him 200 rear wheel horsepower, but to make it sound good and very reliable. So he can drive to any car show he wants, but pull into a parking lot and everyone knows that he actually has the horsepower under the hood compared to what he has now.
Did you get the thickness back here? Get the thickness.
Can you lay down right next to it so we could get a...
You want the S20 for scale. S20 plus maybe.
That's a bad joker, man. If I had that joker there.
Right?
You understand you can't just bolt those up, right?
You can't?
You can't just bolt those tires up
so
to it.
What do you have to do? You have to take out a bunch of shit?
A little bit of cutting. It's what you call a back half car. Like Mr. Faraday's race car.
Look at this.
And nothing has changed. Instagram is still gone. So those of y'all, please go to follow us at Faraday Performance.
So we got something pretty cool for you guys right now. A vehicle that's been here for quite some time. Maybe some of you guys saw it at Texas UK. It is about to get laced up in a new exhaust system.
Keep me on camera, keep me on camera. I'm looking good today, I'm looking good today. I've had a migraine all day, been throwing up. Look great. Yeah, look at this beautiful 2300 from 2010. I love it. So yeah, we're about to spin this blower harder. We got a cog overdrive set up. We just ordered for the back of it. So we don't have to worry about running such a small blower pulley and worry about belt slip. Dan's installing some what, ID 1050s?
That's right.
That's right. That's right. This customer's cool. Real nice guy. He had a clean ass Bel Air. His wife drives to car shows. So she drives the Bel Air.
Houston?
Somewhere near Houston, right? I think he's in, for sure. He's in Texas. I'll just say that. Well, he showed me his Bel Air, his wife drives, and then he takes us to the car shows. That's cool as shit. Both of them are gonna roll in hot. And that's what's funny, the wife says, "Hun, the Bel Air sounds way nastier than the Camaro."
Oh.
I'm like, that's about to change. That's about to change. New windshield. Heads up display. A little expensive. We just ran the bead all the way around. Too bad we missed it. Oh boy. Only got one shot of this. Oh God.
Break it down.
Can I touch it here?
No, break it down. Break it down. Break it down. A little bit, depends on what it's like. There you go. Alright, break it down.
Down?
Hold up.
Dan, this is going on your resume.
Hold up.
Down?
What you got?
That was scary.
It is, right?
That was scary.
That's dude, when he does these, I'm always like, and he just throws them right in like it's nothing. So now what? How long you gotta let it sit?
24 hours.
Before you go do something stupid?
Are you gonna watch on the hood while I fire it up?
Where are you gonna fire it up?
Right now.
I said, what are you firing up?
Mr. Big Tire car. I pulled off this car about 900 times. I don't remember if I put oil in it.
And it's our hope that you'll choose to entrust us with what's most important to you. The attorneys at Cordell & Cordell of Cordell & Cordell to schedule an appointment with one of our firm's Houston area attorneys, a partner men can count on. 832.
Yeah, buddy. Foot brake. Still got it. Still know how to work on these LS's. Fired right up. Ain't nothing leaking? Nope. Drives pumped under there. Fuel gauge works. Everything's working like it should. Got lucky on that one. That's how you do it, fellas. That's how you do it. That old last minute racing.
Fucking ass off. That's not really good. You know what sucks? The guy with the yellow 01's gonna want that. Yeah, I already know.
That fucking sucks. I'm
I already know. He's gonna want it. He asked me about cutouts last week. I was like, no.
Now this motherfucker sounds good.
Dang it. What about the depth in the chest? Yeah, actually the muffler actually sounds good though. It doesn't sound. I thought it was gonna sound bad. Huh?
Hey, it's pretty rare, right? It's like 1 out of 1.
Yeah, I have no idea, to be honest.
Well, at least that's what.
I have no idea.
That's what I was told.
That's probably one of the first ones he built. I guarantee it's 100. It's probably 35% drivetrain loss with the wheel, tire, and the 9-inch. Do what?
It's pretty quiet.
It sound good?
Yeah, whoever did the gears did a great job.
Nice.
Because normally 9-inches are fucking horrible.
I know. That's what I'm curious when I'm on the road to see how bad it whines. But they're good. We do good work every once in a while.
Didn't have to come off.
I know, Dan, so far so good, buddy.
And I got pulled off at 900 times.
You should. That's a sick car, dude. This guy's gonna love it. Now his wife can't say her car sounds meaner than his. That was the whole reason why we did this, or one of the reasons why I should say. So, car did turn out exactly how we planned. It sounds amazing in my opinion. Still super reliable. We went ahead and upgraded a lot of the fuel system on this car so he can run 93 octane or E85 when he wants to make an extra 50 to 75 horsepower. On our dyno, so it baselined I think 400 rear wheel horsepower, it's now making 650 rear wheel horsepower. That is pulling that big wheel and that big tire. He has a 9-inch in it, so if it had a stock rear end and it with stock wheels and tires on it, it'd be well over 700 rear wheel horsepower. I'd say 700 to 750, but all in all, we saw a 250 rear wheel horsepower gain from doing our cam package, headers, fuel system, and E85. And again, from this video, you'll be able to hear how it sounded before until after. Night and day difference. And I know Mr. Banks, like I said, he just called me just about literally 20 minutes ago to thank me how much he likes the car as far as reliability, how good it drives, and then also pulling into the car show, how much attention it got compared to the way it used to get. So that was our main goal. I'm glad he's happy, and when he wants more horsepower, we already have a list of mods set aside for him for future reference. Those of y'all new to the channel, as always, hit that subscribe button. Comment below, let me know what y'all think about this 5th gen Camaro. Is this something y'all would cruise on the weekends, or would y'all want to take it directly to the drag strip? Comment below, let me know what y'all have to say.
I think Frankie's going to the gas station in the golf cart. I think he's going in the golf cart.